Bitcoin money cost commonly equivalent to $102.74 a coin in a huge manner. The present exchange cost range, 101.71–103.72, which really is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 103.59 in an unobtrusive way. The change explicitly was 0.85, 0.82% and in every practical sense, huge way. Converse rate, USD to BCH, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $97 in every practical sense. Most extreme 104, lovely least 90, exhibiting that the change really was 0.85, 0.82% in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost $96, extremely greatest 103 in every practical sense, least 89, showing how Bitcoin money value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $97, certainly greatest 104, truly least 90, exhibiting that the change in a real sense was 0.85, 0.82%, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost $97, truly most extreme 104, kind of least 90, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost $94, essentially most extreme 101, by and large least 87, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $99, certainly most extreme 106, by and large least 92 in a kind of significant manner. In multi-week Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, June 19, cost $93, really most extreme 100, truly least 86 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost $94, really greatest 101, fundamentally least 87 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, June 21, cost $94, especially most extreme 101, sort of least 87, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $95, sort of greatest 102, certainly least 88, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, June 23, cost $95, kind of most extreme 102, least 88 in a significant way. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $94, most certainly greatest 101 in every practical sense, least 87 amazingly. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost $93, all things considered, greatest 100, extremely least 86, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost $92, for the most part greatest 98, truly least 86. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, June 29, cost $94, sort of most extreme 101, in every practical sense, least 87. So Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $92, truly greatest 98, truly least 86 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $95, certainly most extreme 102, sort of least 88, which certainly is very critical. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, July 3, cost $96, truly greatest 103, exceptionally least 89, which really is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $96, kind of most extreme 103, kind of least 89 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, July 5, cost $93, certainly most extreme 100, genuinely least 86, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost $94, truly greatest 101, extremely least 87. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, July 7, cost $94, greatest 101, certainly least 87, or so they generally thought. In about a month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $92, greatest 98, sort of least 86, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost $93, essentially most extreme 100, exceptionally least 86, or so they thought. USD to BCH swapping scale kind of equivalent to 0.9733 coins per $100, which for the most part is very huge. Today, S reach 0.9641-0.9832 in a truly significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.9653 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now plus 0.0080. plus 0.83% in a for the most part significant manner. USD to BCH cost gauge for in the not-so-distant future and month, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, June 12, cost 1.031 coins, greatest 1.111, kind of least 0.962 incredibly. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.042 coins, lovely greatest 1.124, for the most part least 0.971 in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost 1.031 coins, kind of greatest 1.111, genuinely least 0.962, which explicitly is genuinely huge. USD to BCH forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost 1.064 coins, sort of greatest 1.149, especially least 0.990, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, June 16, cost 1.010 coins, especially greatest 1.087, certainly least 0.943, which in a real sense is very huge. In multi-week USD to BCH expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 1.075 coins, by and large greatest 1.163, sort of least 1.000, showing how dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, June 12, cost 1.031 coins, greatest 1.111, certainly least 0.962, which generally is very critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.064 coins, beautiful most extreme 1.149, truly least 0.990. Pretty further appearance how dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost 1.031 coins, greatest 1.111, certainly least 0.962, which truly is genuinely critical. USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1.064 coins, by and large most extreme 1.149, certainly least 0.990, showing how Bitcoin money value forecast for in the not-so-distant future and month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $97, truly greatest 104. Beautiful least 90, exhibiting that the change really was 0.85, 0.82% in an every practical sense, significant way. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, June 23, cost 1.053 coins, most extreme 1.136, especially least 0.980, which really shows that Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, July 11, cost $93, greatest 100, least 86 in a significant way. In about 14 days dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, June 26, cost 1.064 coins, genuinely greatest 1.149, essentially least 0.990. USD to BCH forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 1.0